Hello friends, I hope you are well. Today we are going to be making everyone's favourite, a donut. First we are going to be making our circle. So next we'll be drawing two other circles. So now we are going to draw some nice swirly icing. So after you've done your swirls, we are going to make delicious sprinkles. Let's get our colors ready. So now we are going to give our sprinkle some color. I have used pink, blue, purple, yellow, orange. You can use whichever is your favorite color. We need a little bit more sprinkles on it. Now colouring it all in. Our delicious sprinkles are looking great. Now we're going to colour in our donut. I'm going to use a nice peach colour for our nice, lovely, delicious donut. Our donut is almost finished and it looks delicious. Now we're going to add some chocolate. I hope you liked our nice, delicious donut. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.